So it's just a quick 1-2. Nah, but it's supposed to be like, I can see though.
The rain is gone. Can see all obstacles in my way.
Alright, y'all, look, I got a package. Come on, box it with me.
What's in the box?
I got a package from, y'all see it, Miss Zeelool herself. I've been seeing her all over TikTok, really, because I've really been needing some new glasses, because I lost my glasses a long time ago. But we're not gonna speak on that. We're not gonna speak on that. I will be unboxing the glasses. I did go to the doctor, the eye doctor, to get my glasses, get my new prescriptions, because, you know, it's been a minute since your girl went. So this is how the packaging looks. Thank you, Zeelool girl. Thank you. So this is so it's just a quick 1-2. That's it. Boom. Okay. We got a little, So I had got the shady ones because I ain't never had them before, so I wanted to really do it. So let's take these off. Y'all really trying to put my show? All right. Lover. What? Nice little. It's so. I don't even put these on. I ain't touch it. It's bling then. What? Y'all see that? I know y'all see that. Y'all gonna see me. I know that's right. Y'all, hey, I said y'all gonna see me. One thing about it, two things for sure. These glasses, oh, they gonna let you know. Baby, what you said? Nah, but it's supposed to be like, I can see though. Oh, this is crazy. Why am I acting so surprised at? I'm just happy I can see. It's been some months. Look at me, like, look at me, look at me. You looking? They also came with, where the other one go? Oh, $7 on the coupon. Let's see if I'm seeing that right. Oh. I know it was a catch on orders over $29. I mean, you know, it's only $29. But you know, I already got, I can see. What else? What more else could I mean, glasses casing, the gritty ones where you just gotta, it hangs over your a glasses leash. That's what we're gonna call it. It comes with a coupon in there, you know. I really can see out of these. This is really like blasphemy. Also, they gave me this, thankfully, because I did not know the sizing, but I did not really want to like keep waiting. I can see
All obstacles in my way.